home is a simple idea. 4 walls, a roof, a door that locks, somewhere to feel safe. But for over 1 billion people, it remains out of reach. We know how to build houses. We have known for centuries. Construction is one of the oldest industries on Earth. But every year, more people need homes than we are able to build. And that gap is not closing.
Housing crisis has
Housing
been...
crisis.
Is
Demand
housing crisis.
At Constructions 3D, we asked ourselves, what if we could print a house the way nature is printing, layer by layer? That question took years to answer. We've dedicated ourselves to perfecting concrete 3D printing technology. Our engineers designed each component from scratch. Our technicians solved problems no manual existed for. Testing, calibrating, failing, starting again. Every prototype, every test, every refinement has been driven by one unwavering belief. Access to dignified housing should not be a privilege. And one day, we did it. Building homes in days instead of months, with a fraction of the carbon footprint. The housing crisis can be fixed. We know what needs to be done, building faster, better, and smarter. And now we have the tools to do it. It's time to rebuild the way we build. Millions of homes are still needed. This is how we build them.